In this video, I have 10 winning products to sell online this summer. I've already done the research for you. Each of these products is validated and can earn up to 1,000 Rand a day. The first product is a full-star vegetable chopper. I've seen a lot of similar products online, but looking at the bad reviews of those other vegetable choppers, I went all the way out and found that this specific 4-star vegetable chopper has great reviews and actually does the job. With so many vegetable choppers out there, you would want to beat your competitors with this great product. You can get this product from as little as 120 Rand, and this will also depend on the quality you buy. And when you resell this product, you can multiply your total cost, which of course you have to include shipping, customs, and local shipping or local couriers, and etc. You can multiply your total cost 3 times to get to a profitable selling price. If you've had people complaining about burning their hands when they are putting in or taking something out of the oven, you can bring a solution to that problem. Have a look at these hot selling oven rack guard heat resistant. This product is so much cheap to source. I mean, they range from 7 Rand to 25 Rand, and you can see the prices for yourself. When you sell this kind of product, make sure to describe the oven size it will fit to avoid returns. If you do that, you will never have to deal with returns and your reviews rating will be high. This exact oven rack that I'm showing you now, I haven't seen any in our market yet, so you stand a good chance to make most of your sales with this product this summer. And it is made of high quality food grade silicone material, and the good thing about buying this from Alibaba is that you can customize this product. You can even make it longer so that you can fit in bigger ovens, or you make it smaller for smaller ovens, or short. The temperature ranges from -40 to 230 degrees Celsius. If you use Fahrenheit, you simply convert. There's no smell when the temperature increases. It's non-toxic, anti-dust, non-sticking, and it's easy to wash and also easy to install. Another product to use in an oven is this non-stick silicone baking mat. Now this mat is going to save your customers a lot of time. No need to spray the baking tray, no more foils or parchment papers, and all that headache to wash difficult flour from the tray. Not a problem anymore. This baking mat is very portable and can be stored in different ways. So it can be left flat and then placed inside a drawer after use, or be rolled anyhow. So it's very portable, easy to travel with as well, and it's also easy to wash and dishwasher safe. The food doesn't get stuck on this silicone baking mat because it's also non-stick. Since I source from Alibaba and also 1688, I will show the prices using one of these websites. The sourcing prices per item will cost you as little as 3 Rand 83 cents and sell for at least 130 Rand. Even when you calculate the shipping cost, your profit margins will be more than 30%. This fourth product is a very tiny round self-adhesive dish towel holder. This can be mounted on a kitchen cupboard, on a kitchen wall, and shipping wise, you can buy hundreds of these and pay very low on shipping costs because of the size and weight. And when used for a kitchen space, this will save space and look classy at the same time. One thing to look out for when sourcing these towel holders is the strength of the hook. Can it hold a bigger towel or a damp one? Because you don't want to source cheap products that won't hold or work. But the advantage of this product is that no need to drill the wall or use bigger spaces for these towels. You can source them from as little as 8 Rand and resell for 200 Rand for a set of 3 or 4. With the set, you choose how you package your products. An adjustable silicone strainer is one of the unique strainers that will sell well this summer. This is the kind of strainer that is simple, no bulkiness, and easy to use. No switching to a colander, no dumping all out, and it's adjustable to different pot sizes and cost around 40 rand and can retail for 180 rand. And this is also going to depend on how you want to price it. You can price it lower, but up to 180 rand, and that's also a great or high profit margin. The rechargeable portable vacuum blackhead remover is one of those products that do so well. This blackhead remover cleans and minimizes pores. When you as a seller shows the results or testimonies from people who use the products, like this image over here, this is the kind of results that makes your target market more interested in the product. It's rechargeable and portable, therefore easy to travel with. You can source this product for 47 rand on Alibaba and retail it for around 600 rand. This mini mop over here is doing wonders to replace the use of towels to wipe off little spills here and there or vegetables on a countertop. This mini mop is a solution to that. It leaves the counters and glasses spotless, very quick to use and good for quick cleanups. Portable and can be mounted on a wall for storage. This is a self-squeeze mop, and have a look at how much you can source it for. 7 rand, 18 and 22. So this is the price is going to range on the quality and also whether you're buying from a supplier or a manufacturer, but you have to buy samples first to test the quality, and later you sell for around 240 rand. If you want to give your customers portable tumblers or traveling mugs that do not spill from the top, start sourcing the spill leak proof tumblers that they can easily move around with. There won't be any mess in a travel bag, in a car, gym bag, or anywhere else. This is going to be a solution to many because most of these traveling mugs spill. With this one, you won't have to worry about bad rating and reviews. This is a very high quality mug and you will source each for around 70 rand and resell for 500 rand. Let's have a look at the second last product, the inflatable travel pillow. This is for those who want to rest while traveling or in long waits. Pillow comes with different positions which will go according to a person's height or how they want to rest. It is easy to fit in a traveling bag and won't take up too much space. Has a space or holes to use a phone while resting, and it comes with an eye mask and earplugs. You can source them for around 60 rand and it retails for around 340 rand. Last product is this amazing damp duster for cleaning blinds and vents. This damp duster is easy to use on areas that are hard to remove dust like your blinders and vents, and it is made for exactly those areas. It is a very lightweight product which you can source from as little as 5 rands, and choose whether you want to sell in a pack of 2, 3 or 4 for around 130 rand. All these 10 products have different sourcing prices. With 3,000 rand as a startup capital, you can start your online business today. If you want more videos like these, please subscribe and hit that notification bell because I will be sharing more of these videos. Until next time, cheers.